Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Endless in Bloons TD 6. To succeed, you'll need to understand the unique challenges of this mode. The primary goal is to survive as many rounds as possible, as Bloons become significantly stronger and faster with each passing round. This means your tower choices and upgrades must be optimized for extreme late-game scaling. Let's dive into the best strategies to push your endless runs further than ever before. Choosing the right towers is crucial for endless mode success. Paragon towers, such as the Apex Plasma Master or Goliath Doomship, provide unparalleled damage output that scales incredibly well. Don't forget powerful support options like the Monkey Village for buffs and the Alchemist for enhanced attack power. The True Sun God, especially its vengeful variant, remains a cornerstone for devastating Bloon destruction in the late game. Effective strategy and a strong economy are vital. Optimal tower placement ensures maximum Bloon coverage and synergy between your defenses. Generating sufficient income is key to affording expensive late-game upgrades and new towers. Monkey farms or the Merchantman's favored trades are excellent choices. Remember to deploy your hero's abilities at critical moments to clear overwhelming waves and maintain your defenses against the relentless Bloon onslaught. For advanced play, focus on countering specific Bloon types, like DDTs or BADs, with specialized towers and upgrades. Consider using abilities such as the Monkey Wall Street for consistent, high-volume cash generation, which is essential for sustaining your powerful defenses. Also, remember to check the description below for a link to those fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers, as well as other great deals to help you out. Keep experimenting with different tower combinations to find what works best for your playstyle, and push those endless rounds even further.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.